Carpenter Real Estate Group. One of the things that we try to do with all of our clients is really enhance the whole process. We want to make sure that the buying and selling process in real estate for our clients is smooth and easy. There's hundreds of things that could technically go wrong, and whether it's legal, whether it's just part of the emotional process, whether it's part of just trying to figure out where you want to call home, where your sanctuary is going to be. And one of the things that we try to do is really take out all of the rough edges as much as possible. And we get to know our clients on a very intimate basis very quickly, whether it's an individual, whether it's a couple. It doesn't really matter. People have differing views, and sometimes it's really hard to connect all the dots. And our job is to make sure that those dots get connected. So at the Carpenter Real Estate Group, we really want to make sure that your buying experience is a super positive one and that it's one that you will enjoy at the same time. So this is the team. Myself, I've been doing this for 18 years. Before that, I had a company. One of the companies I was involved with was a property management company. I did that for 6.5 years. So in real estate, I've been involved for over 24, almost 25 years. My son James is our newest associate to the firm. He has a degree in urban land economics and also in law. And he has been working with me for a little over a year. And Rachel is, as she said earlier, everything behind the scenes. She's amazing, and if you need something done, Rachel's the person that gets it done. And then John is the business manager behind the team as well. For some reason, you don't have your picture up here, John. Rachel and John don't really like to be on the forefront of things, and so anyway, that's the team. And then we also have a team of a number of different associates, like the lawyer, Bell Alliance, and Stephanie, like Gina in the mortgage broking department. It's so easy to have those people as part of the team because I know they're experts in their field. I can rely on them. Wanda for insurance. It makes everybody's purchase or sale of a property much, much easier. So this is what I look like in the morning before I put my game face on. Sometimes it's a little bit hairy. Last night I was up working on a deal till 11:15. Unfortunately, the board system was down, so it took a little longer than expected. But auto notification is one of the tools we use, and we have a whole arsenal of tools that we use, but this is one. And basically, we can take the client, we sit down and do an intake interview, whether the buyer or seller, determine exactly what they're looking for. We set it up on the computer. They get automatically notified of any properties that come up for sale in the area they want, at the price range they want, number of bedrooms, square footage, all that kind of information goes in. They get it, I get it, we look at it, and we decide whether between the two of us we want to see it, and we set up tours and then go have a look. So basically it shortens the process of looking for properties by not just throwing somebody in the car and driving randomly around. It's a very specific process, and we make sure that we don't waste the client's time by driving to places and showing them houses or apartments that really don't fit their needs. John talked a little bit about mobile search. One of the things that we do constantly is we're constantly tweaking and looking for new avenues of technology to help the process along with buyers and sellers. So this is one that we can use for our buying clients, and pretty amazing. The mobile search we just launched about 6 months ago. So we're constantly looking for things to help improve the process. I'm running out of time here. Finding your home. Whether it's a condominium, whether it's a single-family home, whether it's a townhouse, a large estate. This is the one here on the bottom that we sold just recently, $14.2 million. But it doesn't matter whether it's $14.2 million or if it's $300,000. We enjoy working with all levels of clients and all types of houses and homes. Paperwork. Talked a little bit about Rachel. There's lots of paper. We're trying to go paperless. We're not quite there with Bell Alliance yet, but there's a lot of different documents and forms that have to be part of the real estate process. So it's not a matter of throwing a sign on the lawn or throwing somebody in the car and driving around and getting it done. But that's part of it, but paperwork is a big part, making sure that everything goes smoothly. Next slide is one of the things that we do. We try to add value to the whole process for our people and our clients. So when you actually remove the subjects on the property, the cookie courier will show up at your door in your office with a box full of cookies, and I don't have the sample here, but Rachel can hold it up. So you've got a sample of those in your goodie bags. And then at the end of the process, we welcome you to your home, and what we do is we send a gift basket. And we have different types of gift baskets depending on who the client is. So barbecue, wine and cheese, movie night, sometimes home furnishings. It just depends on who the person is. So we try to make sure that everybody is an individual. And then once a year we do a client celebration and appreciation party where we just invite all our clients, friends and family to celebrate with us and to say thank you. It's just a really fun event, and this year we're going to mix it up a little bit. It's usually in November. This year it's going to be in the summer. So we're shortening the process a little bit, and we'll be announcing that shortly as to what we're going to be doing. Final slide. James and I are there to help you with all your real estate needs, whether it's buying or selling, and it's just hopefully a great experience for you. And all of our business is based on referrals, and we just hope to be able to help you out some point in the future with your real estate needs. Thank you very much. Carpenter Real Estate Group. Building dreams one client at a time.